I couldn't help to notice these delicious berries growing on a walking path near where I live. I was on my afternoon jog and I just had to stop and grab some berries. These berries looked so ripe and ready to eat. I already had some ideas of what I would like to make with them. I think this is the last time I'm ever berry picking because look what I saw on my way, a massive snake. I didn't think snakes were a thing in this country, but obviously I was wrong. Anyway, once I was done risking my life making this video, I went back home and I started washing them berries. Here is just a quick preview of some of the delicious things I'll be making with these berries. First up, I'm going to make some blackberry jam. So I washed and soaked these berries for about an hour. I'm going to cut up half a lemon and set that aside for later. I'm going to add a generous amount of berries into the pan. Remember, once I boil these, they're going to reduce in size. I'm going to add 1 sachet of red quick gel. This one's the berry flavour. So this acts as a thickening agent. It would also give the jam a jelly-like texture. I'm going to go in with 1 cup of granulated sugar, followed by a juice of half a lemon. I'm going to bring that to a boil on the hob. So it took around 10 minutes on a high heat for it to look like this. While the heat is still on, I'm going to mash them berries. In total, I cooked this for around 20 minutes on a high heat. I made sure I stirred this regularly. When I got this consistency, I turned off the heat. I should have waited for the jam to completely cool down, but I was a little bit impatient, so I transferred it all into a jam jar like so. I'm going to freeze some berries for something I'm going to make later on. I just made a quick toast to test out that jam. Obviously I burnt one side. If you prefer smooth jam, you can sieve out the bits, but I don't mind them, so I left them in. I just had to bake some fresh scones to go with that jam. So we enjoyed the scones at a picnic and also a tea party at home. I'm going to keep this refrigerated and it's going to last around 4 weeks. Next up, I blended some fresh berries and some pure orange juice to make this delicious smoothie. I'm going to go ahead and make some berry sorbet now. I added some berries to the dessert cup of the Ninja Creamy. I pushed them berries down until they were flat. I froze them berries for 24 hours before processing them in my Ninja Creamy. A detailed video is available on my channel. My healthy and delicious berry sorbet is now ready. I'm now going to make some Black Forest cheesecake ice cream. I softened some cream cheese in the microwave for 10 seconds. I added some sugar and some vanilla extract and gave that a really good mix. Lastly, I added some double cream and transferred it all into a dessert cup. I froze that for 24 hours and then went ahead and processed that in my Ninja Creamy. Again, I have a more detailed video of this on my channel. So I've added some berries and some biscuits and I've processed that again. I'm now going to add some toppings and this cheesecake ice cream is ready to be served. So for the last of my berries, I'm going to make a berry smoothie bowl. All of the ingredients I used are in the description below. So to make this smoothie bowl, I'm going to use my Ninja Creamy again. I'm going to link a detailed review on this Ninja Creamy below in the description. Be sure to check that out later. I have added some berries, some natural yogurt and some milk in a dessert cup. I froze that for 24 hours and then I processed it in my Ninja Creamy. I transferred that into a smoothie bowl. I added all of my favourite toppings and it was ready to be served.